Today's video is going to be part of the never-ending, well, it will be ending, but the continuous saga of the Battlebox catch-up videos for some of the battle boxes that I missed in 2023 due to time constraints. And hopefully today's video will maybe show you something that you didn't know existed that could be helpful to you, or at least help you fill in your blanks and your examples of whether or not this might be a good idea for you to join the old Battlebox crowd. So anyway, this is Mission 105, and that's what's coming up next here on Survival on Purpose. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose. My name is Brian. Thanks for joining me. And like I said, we're catching up 2023 battle boxes. Battle box has 4 levels. At each level, you pay them a little more money and get a little more stuff. The basic box is the lowest subscription level price. And the first item in this is Mission 105, right? Yep. The first item in this Mission 105 box was a fire flute, premium ferro rod fire starter, and whistle. So we have a storage container here that you can fit these little fire plugs in, with a ferro rod here that screws in and out so it's replaceable, and a whistle on the end. You ready? Close your ears. Pretty loud. Certainly louder than you can continue to yell for hours at a time. So there's that. That's pretty cool. Next item in the basic box in Mission 105 is this Delta emergency water filter. And okay, so what it is, it's two different mesh panels that you stack together, and it creates a 2-stage filter for your water. You pour the water in the top and it comes out the bottom. That's pretty good. It says it produces 75 gallons of safe water. Pretty cool there. The next item is an Absorbitch wet electronics rescue pouch. And I think what that means is if you drop your phone in the toilet, you can put it in here and it'll absorb the moisture out of it. If you put it in here fast enough. And I don't know if it'll get anything stinky off, but it will absorb the moisture. So that's pretty cool. If you ever dropped your phone in anywhere wet, you know, even though some of them now are more water resistant, so still it's a good deal. So the next item is a Johnny Slicks Beast Bar. Oh man, this is cool. So this is a small little Beast Bar. It's a soap bar, and it has a little Bigfoot dude on it. I'll be honest with you, I'm using this soap right now because I got one out of a crate club I reviewed a little while ago. It's a little bigger bar than this, and I like it fine. There's nothing on the ingredients that you can't pronounce, so it's all natural stuff. That's pretty cool. So that's everything in the basic box in Mission 105. The next level box is the advanced box, and the advanced box has 2 items in it this 105 month. First one is a Right Line Gear single cargo storage bag. And this is made to go on back of those bumper hitch baskets or shelves. And it is 30 inches wide by 20 inches deep by 55 inches long. So it's pretty long. It'll go all the way across, folds up into this. So we're not going to open this up right now because it would completely dominate the picture here. And then there's one more item in here for the advanced box, and it is a pretty cool. It's night eyes, so it's going to be cool. A figure 9, so it's a beaner with also a little rope, different little rope management system, but it's not for climbing. So pretty cool there. And then the next level is a Pro Box. In Pro Box, you get everything. In these other boxes, pay a little more money, you get a little more stuff. This month, it's a voucher for Wiley X voucher, so worth $100. So Wiley X, these glasses I'm wearing right now are Wiley X prescription glasses. My sunglasses are Wiley X. I didn't have a voucher. I needed one, so I have one now. But a lot of non-prescription stuff they have is under $100. So this is a free pair of glasses. I really kind of like that they gave you a voucher instead of giving you some glasses you might or might not like. So Wiley X makes really good stuff. I mean, I spent my own money on these, so I believe in it. So it might seem some people like, oh, I got a voucher, but this is great stuff. You get a free pair of really nice sunglasses, basically. And then finally, there's a Pro Plus, and I can't wait to have a look at this thing. Pro Plus is the top level subscription service, at least on the regular subscriptions. They may have a fancier one now. I don't know. I think they have some kind of special thing going. But look what it says right there. This is a condor. Oh, baby. Look at that. Look at that sheath. Look at that sheath. Would you just look at it? This is the El Salvador machete. And I don't know if Joe Flowers had anything to do with this design or not. If this is just traditional design. Either way, oh my gosh, I'm digging it. Look at that. Ooh, man. Nice wooden handle. Got the flat part unsharpened here as it's supposed to be on a traditional machete. Like, let you choke up here like this. Joe Flowers taught me that. A hole up here, which I don't know if that's just for looks or if there's a reason for that, but front heavy, this thing right here. Ooh-wee. I like it. I like it a lot. So that's everything in Mission 105 Battle Box. And what I try to do, as usual, is pick out some of my favorite items. Any ideas which one you think might be my favorite?
Chuck Norris can watch 60 Minutes in 20 minutes.
I'm thinking. Yeah. This is the real deal here. You know, I like me some condor, and I like some big sharp stuff. So we're gonna give this one a big plus. Look at that sheath. That sheath is cost more than most knives, or is worth more. Look at that. Oh yeah, there she is. So that's my number one favorite. Number two, it's gonna sound silly, but man, I like the Beast Wash soap. So that's it for Mission 105. Hopefully this has been helpful and somewhat informative, and maybe even a little bit interesting. Maybe you saw something you didn't know existed, or you just gotta have it. Anyway, whatever the case, I really appreciate you watching Survival on Purpose. I'd be really interested to know what you think about these boxes. If you had a favorite item, if you think the boxes are worthwhile or not, if you think the videos are worthwhile or not, or anything else you'd like to share. It really does help me decide what kind of content to put out in the future. Again, I hope this has been helpful. Remember, survival's not an accident, so be prepared. I'll see you next time.